Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ich sitz hier ganz allein und huste in meine Armbeuge hinein. Nirgends mehr ein Keim. Hashtag wir bleiben zu Hause, echt gemein. Im Rachen eine Menge Schleim und Quarantäne obendrein. I'm never gonna sneeze again. Snotty nose have got no entry, though it's easy to pretend, but I am not a fool. I know it better than to cheat a friend and waste the chance that we were given. So I will never sneeze again the way I sneeze with you. Die Zeit geht kaum vorbei. Doch auf einmal ist nicht mehr alles einerlei. Vielleicht sogar noch bis Mitte Mai. You have to try and maybe to pie. I'm never gonna sneeze again. Snotty nose have got no entry, though it's easy to pretend, but I am not a fool. I know it better than to cheat a friend and waste the chance that we were given. So I will never sneeze again the way I sneeze with you. The news seems so weird tonight. I wish we lose the virus besides. Maybe it's better that way. We would hurt each other with different things today. We could have been good together and we could live this life forever. But who will sneeze with me? Please go away. I'm never gonna sneeze again. Guilty nose have got no entry, though it's easy to pretend, but I am not a fool. I know it better than to cheat a friend and waste the chance that we were given. So we're never gonna sneeze again the way I sneeze with you.